man, and he breathed on him, and God's Spirit is with them. Go ahead and rap. Body, soul, and God with them. All right. Okay, so this is body, that's the soul, and God. Okay, the Holy Spirit. So, but when sin happens, God goes, cannot look at sin. What happens to the body? Body dies. Soul is separate. What's next? But when you are baptized with the Holy Spirit, come back with the soul, and the Holy Spirit comes and connected again clean, holy, become a Christian, follower of Jesus. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.